Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start a dropshipping business on ebay.com. Now, eBay is one of those places where you can start and become financially independent and create a passive income for yourself. But obviously, in order to do that, you need to understand exactly what strategy you need to implement and how you need to implement that strategy, effectively scale that strategy, and actually make money off it at the same time. And that is the reason why we're bringing these amazing videos to you guys, because we've gone into great detail and done our research and looked at all the different dropshippers across the globe and the mistakes that they did and what they did right, and we came up with the right strategy that you could also implement and get the financial freedom that you always crave about and break away from the 9 to 5 where you can sit back, relax, and watch your financial independence grow. And if you want to achieve the financial freedom, then do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon, because we have a lot of videos on our channel that we describe different methodologies that can give you the chance to understand the pure dynamics that are required to start a successful dropshipping business on ebay.com. Now, ebay.com is a place where you can buy, where you can sell, where you can trade, where you can auction off the things that you have and obviously make money off at the same time. And there's a lot of things that people don't understand, which we will go in great detail and discuss in this video. The first thing that you have to keep in mind is the right product to select. And this is one of the main strategies that we want to talk about today's video, is the fact that whenever you look at a product, you have to look at it. Is it a need or is it a want? A need is a product that is required by individuals, while on the other hand, a want is something that they don't actually need to live with. That is something they require, such as a luxury. So you want to get what is in between both of them. A product that is a want at the same time is a need. For example, you have a mobile phone, and a mobile phone requires a phone cover because mobile phones are very expensive. So the best product to get, an evergreen product to get, a product that a male would use, a female would use, a child would use, a grown-up would use, anyone and everyone will be using, no matter what their financial circumstances, no matter what walk of life they belong to, they would want to get a mobile case for their mobile phone to ensure it doesn't get damaged. And it's for that reason we always say select those particular items. So we're going to search for mobile phones right now. So when we search for phone cases on ebay.com, we will get a lot of hits, and we can look at these hits. There are 8.5 million results for phone cases. You can accept offer, auctions, buy it now, look at the conditions, the shipping, and the locals. You can select the best match and look at the different filters that are available. You can do it for Samsung, for Huawei, for Google, for Nokia, for Xiaomi as well. And all these options are available by brands and by colors as well. And you can look at the price it's for. The price for this particular item is for $4 to $7. You can buy it right now with free shipping, and this is from China. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the different factors, elements that are available. This individual is selling it from the UK. This individual is selling it from Italy. And obviously you can get the one that best works for you. And guys, at the end of the day, this is the main element that you need to understand. You have to select the right product. Now we looked at this product, we have to understand, does this product make that kind of money that we need to actually sell it? And that is where we head over to the Sellers Hub. And once we go to research, we can actually search for phone cases. And as we search for phone cases, we will get a complete breakdown about the information in the last 12 months, what has been happening in this industry. If you look at the sold items, the average selling price is $10.97. The average shipping price is $5.09. 1.6 million have been sold, with 39,000 sellers and 17.8 million in sale. And obviously, as you scroll down, you can clearly see the average price that people are charging for this, the amount that have been sold, and the amount of money that they made in sales. $289,000 off just one product. But these are products which have been sold. Let's check out products that are active. Once we change the filter, we can see that the average listing price is $18, and obviously the shipping price is $7. And there are the amount of watchers that are looking at this particular item. This listing price is $4.93, with 5,480 people looking at this particular item. If you scroll down, you can clearly see what the prices are for these particular items. But we want to look at what's happening in the last month. So we're going to go over here and click on sold. And once we do that, we will select for the last 7 days or the last 30 days what's happening, and we will research exactly what has been the actual price in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, the average selling price was $10.88. There's 6,000 individuals that are selling it, and they made a sales of $1.3 million selling just one particular product. And this individual in 1 month made $26,000. Let's change it again. Let's check out for the last 7 days what has been happening. As we search for the last 7 days, we can clearly see that the average price was $10.79, and in 7 days they have made made $276,000 in 1 week. So in 1 week, this individual has made $5,957, $2,000, $1,800. This is huge money to make in 7 days, guys, and they're selling instantly. If you look at the graph over here, you can clearly see that every single day this product is being sold. So let's check out globally what the trend is, and for that we'll head over to google.com and check out the trends. You can easily look at what are people searching for, what people are interested in Google Trends. It gives you a complete breakdown. The success for any successful dropshipping business is the amount of time that they spend in researching, in selecting, in looking and finding the right product to put on their store, to make available to their audience, to their customers, to ensure that they can actually get the best product out to their customers, where they can turn their local customers into lifelong loyal customers. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the country that we want to do the research for. So we're going to scroll down and select the United States of America. And as we do that, we will be able to get the information related to individuals in the US that are searching for phone covers. Now, as we do that, guys, you will clearly see something that's going to jump right out at you is the fact that the interest over time for 1 year has been constant. And this shows that this is a product that everyone is interested in. This is a product everyone across the US wants and everyone is searching for on Google. So this is definitely a product that will make you money, and that is a product that you want to add onto your Shopify. Now, we've already seen what the price of this product is going to be on eBay.com. We've seen how much the product is being sold for as we scroll down, around $8, $5, $9, $2, $3, $5, but we want to make sure that we get the best possible price, and that is where we head over to AliExpress. On AliExpress, what we need to do is search for phone cases. Now, once we search for phone cases, what happens is that we'll get a complete breakdown of the prices that are available, but we want to make sure that we get the right product. If you look at the prices that are available, for example, this product is for $1 and 482 have been sold. If you scroll down, this is another product for $1 and 11,575 have been sold. So we're going to open this product and see the details of this particular product. But remember, guys, like I always mention in every single one of my videos, research, research, research. The more you research, the better you're gonna get at it. With 1,455 views, with 11,575 sold at $1 for every single phone that is available, this is a unique bargain that you can get. And imagine selling this product for $9.99, $10.99, $12.99. The amount of money you can make in 1 week, it could be $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, and in 1 month time, this particular product could have made you $500,000. And that is truly the financial freedom that you always dreamed about, where you'd be sipping margaritas on the beach and looking at your account growing. Will you be buyers coming every single second and buying this particular item off you? The investment is barely nothing, but the return is massive, guys. So if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.